what is coupling in object-oriented programming and why it is helpful. Now let me tell you about an example here. This is a class A. Just assume that all these functions are related to email. Check email, validate email, send email, like this. All functions are related to email. Now this is so good. A class A functions are like-minded. They are doing the work they are supposed to do. They are only working for the case of email. They are doing nothing else. This is called a good cohesion, a tight cohesion. But now somebody does like this. Class A, he wrote check email function here. In class B, he wrote validate email. Now the problem is, when I create the object of class A and object of class B and object of class C, now for example, if I'm saying object 3, I want to send email. Just assume that before that it has to be validated. So object 2 and object 3 became very close. So the object 2 and object 3 can change one another behavior. So that this is the object can directly change the state and behavior of object. So here left you see high cohesion. Here we have low cohesion and more coupling, tight coupling. And this tight coupling is not advisable. Cohesion should be high. Cohesion is only about a module or a class, but coupling is between two module or two class. So if the objects are closely coordinated, they are changing themselves, they are interacting, they are message passing, then the coupling is too high. But the cohesion should be high, and coupling should be low. Let me tell you again. If there are two objects or two different classes, and when they are interacting too much, they are changing their behavior of another. That is called high coupling, which is not, or tight coupling, which is not required. This is more dependency, more coordination, more information flow. We don't want that. We want loose coupling, less interdependency, less coordination, less information flow. So coupling is this. And how it is helpful, I told you about that.